If you think Earth is ordinary, wait until you hear these facts. 1. Volcanoes that can erupt without warning. Some volcanoes, like Nyiragongo in Africa, contain extremely low viscosity magma. What does that mean? Its lava flows as fast as a river, and it can erupt with almost no classic warning signs. Scientists call it one of the most dangerous volcanoes on Earth. 2. Stones that walk on their own. In Death Valley, there's a phenomenon known as the sailing stones. These rocks move due to a perfect combination of thin ice, water, and wind. The movement is slow, just a few centimeters per minute, but strong enough to carve long tracks across the desert floor. 3. Blue light in the midnight ocean. That glowing blue light is called bioluminescence. It appears when tiny organisms called dinoflagellates are disturbed by waves. They emit light as a defense mechanism. Not magic, but a chemical reaction known as chemiluminescence. 4. The longest lightning bolt ever recorded. In 2020, satellites captured a single lightning bolt in Brazil, stretching 709 kilometers. That's a world record. A bolt so massive, it rivals the distance from Jakarta to Bali. 5. A growing island. In the Pacific Ocean lies a volcanic island called Hunga Tonga Hunga Hapa. It was created by an underwater eruption in 2015 and continues to reshape itself as magma remains active. The island formed from hardened volcanic ash interacting with seawater. Earth isn't just a home. It's a living laboratory filled with ongoing experiments, and science has uncovered only a small fraction of its wonders. The most amazing plants on Earth. Do you think plants are simple? Wait until you see what these incredible plants can do. 1. Mimosa pudica, the sensitive plant. First, Mimosa pudica, also known as the sensitive plant. With just a light touch, its leaves quickly close. This is a natural defense mechanism to protect itself from insects and animals. 2. The baobab tree. Next, the baobab tree. Its massive trunk can store thousands of liters of water, allowing it to survive long dry seasons. That's why it is often called the tree of life. 3. The walking palm. There is also a tree that appears to walk. The walking palm grows roots towards sunlight, making it look like the tree slowly moves across the forest floor. 4. Mycelium, nature's internet. Underground, there is a vast fungal network called mycelium. It connects trees and helps them share nutrients and send signals, much like a natural internet. 5. The dragon blood tree. The dragon blood tree has a shape similar to a giant umbrella. When its bark is cut, it releases a bright red resin that has been used for medicine, dyes, and coatings since ancient times. 6. Titan arum. The corpse flower, finally, the Titan arum, one of the largest flowers in the world. It blooms very rarely, and when it does, it releases a strong odor to attract pollinating insects. Nature is full of extraordinary wonders. Unique facts about falcons. 1. The fastest animal on Earth. Falcons aren't just fast. They own the sky. A peregrine falcon can dive at over faster than any supercar ever built. 2. Vision that defies nature. Their eyesight is up to 8 times sharper than humans. A falcon can spot prey from more than 3 kilometers away. Imagine seeing a moving target that far and locking onto it with perfect precision. 3. Born for aerial combat, falcons don't just fly. They maneuver like fighter jets. Their wings are sharp, narrow, and built for sudden turns at extreme speeds. 4. They hunt with gravity. During a dive, falcons fold their wings and weaponize gravity itself. This move is called the stoop. One hit, and the prey never sees it coming. 5. Ancient symbols of power. From Egypt to Mongolia, falcons were seen as messengers of gods, kings, and warriors. They represent focus, dominance, and absolute freedom. The cleanest river on earth, and the creatures that can only live in pure water. If this river gets polluted even a little, every living creature inside it disappears. The river. This is the Umingo River, one of the cleanest rivers in the world, located in Meghalaya, India. The water is so clear that boats look like they are floating in. Why? It's so clean. The extreme clarity of the Umingo River exists because there is almost no industrial waste, and local communities protect the river as a source of life. During certain seasons, the water is even safe to drink directly. Unique creatures inside this glass-like water, live freshwater fish and shrimp that are extremely sensitive. These creatures cannot survive in polluted water, even slight contamination. Oxygen levels drop, and they either flee or die. Scientific fact. Scientists call these animals natural bioindicators. That means if they are still alive, the water must be exceptionally clean and healthy. Contrast. Now, compare this. Too many rivers around the world that have changed color produce foul smells and no longer support life. Not because nature failed, but because humans stopped protecting it. Deep message. Deep message. The Umingo River proves one powerful truth. Nature can heal itself as long as humans do not destroy it. So the question is, if this river can survive because it is protected, why can't the others?
Unique dolphin facts. Did you know? Dolphins might be the closest thing we have to real-life superheroes. Fact 1. Dolphins can see with sound. They use echolocation so powerful. They can detect a tiny fish hidden under sand. Fact 2. They sleep with one half of their brain still awake. Yep, half dreaming, half guarding the ocean. Fact 3. Dolphins give each other names. Every dolphin has a unique whistle that works like a personal ID. Fact 4. They can sense heartbeats underwater. Some scientists believe dolphins can feel emotions through vibration, like fear.com or excitement. Fact 5. And the craziest one. Dolphins are one of the only animals that can save other species, including humans. There are hundreds of stories of dolphins forming a circle to protect people from sharks. Smart, emotional, powerful. Dolphins aren't just animals. They're ocean guardians. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Your support helps this channel grow and brings you even more amazing content. Don't forget to like, share, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.